Hi, I'm Martin, and in this video I'd like to show you how we can use MediaCentral Asset Management as an archive for content that I'm creating inside Maestro Designer. Now, as an artist, when I finished working on content, normally I would save it to my shared directory, and it would be used during the production. But if I want to back this up, or make it available to other users that might be in other locations that don't have access to the same shared data that I do, I can archive this scene into the MAM. So we have up in the file options, commit scene to MAM. This will save the scene and then save it into our CloudUX instance. So first of all, it will pop up with some scene information. So it will tell me the scene name, the type of scene. So we have a set of categories here that we can use. So I can say this is a new scene that I want to store. It will have the project name, the owner if relevant, and the scene path when the scene will be unpacked. You can also add a description. So they'll start with a default text. Finally, it will show me the scene size. This scene is being created in HD, so it's 1920 by 1080. And it will show me information about the scene, such as how many animations, exports, etc. are present inside it. Now when I hit OK, it's going to pack this scene. It's going to take a few minutes to happen, and it will store it in the MediaCentral asset management that I'm connected to. In this case, the asset management is actually about 2,000 kilometers away, and I'm connected via a VPN. So we'll see that it's running slowly down at the bottom. It's going to take a few more seconds to pack the scene and store it inside the MAM. Now, while this is happening, I can go over to my CloudUX instance over here, and I can browse through Chrome. Let's just connect, and now I'll go down to graphic scenes. This is where my scene should be stored. It's just going to load the list of scenes that are present here. If I just go back to Designer for a second, I'll see that the scene has been added into the MAM. I hit OK, and now I'll just hit refresh here. And I'll see that my new scene has been added down here. Avid EU news scene. If I go over to the metadata tab inside my browser, I'll just double click to select the scene. It will update the metadata to show me all of the information about the scene. So now as a user inside CloudUX, I can access this scene, I can add new metadata to it, I can see information about the scene, when it was created, etc. Now as a designer, if I want to recall a scene from the MAM, I can just go up to File, Import Scene from MAM. The media browser will open, and then I'll be able to load the scene that I want to use. The file directory opens, and I can select the scene that I want to import. So I'm just going to take this first scene from the top, I double click, select OK, and the scene will now be loaded. If the scene already exists, I can choose to overwrite or rename it as the scene is imported from the MAM. In this case, I'll overwrite, and the scene will be loaded. So in this video, we've seen how using the MediaCentral asset management now allows artists to archive, share, and recall content easily from MediaCentral server. Thank you for watching.